How to make money with AdMaven. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. For this video we will discuss about AdMaven and how this advertising network works. Some pros and also some cons, some things about their conditions, payments and many more important subjects about AdMaven Advertising Network. So if you consider that this video was useful, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day more ways of how you can make money online. So let's get started. There are many ads network in the advertising industry. Finding a suitable ads network for your site is not easy. So here is a review for AdMaven, a complete package for your needs with the best user experience. First of all, what is AdMaven? Well, AdMaven is a famous online ads network that providing services to its users for over 10 years. AdMaven is innovative, is a digital advertising network that mainly is focusing on pop-under ads. There are various types of ad campaigns that you can run by users, and that are pop ads, native ads. Also, they have full screen ads, push notification, banner ads, and slide ads. They have pop and push notification ads, so if users can choose their suitable end campaign, AdMaven campaigns also, including lightbox and interstitial ad formats that are fully submissive with the Google Adblock system. That means that all the ads will not be blocked. Here are some advantages of AdMaven. AdMaven gives a high Cpm rate comprising other networks, therefore the return of traffic and revenue is substantial. Work with an ads campaign in AdMaven is pretty straightforward. You can create any campaign and put it on your website. The minimum payout is $50 and AdMaven pays its users in the net 30 days method, which means if any user earns money in June, then it can be withdrawn in August. Users can get payment in PayPal, Payoneer, Paxum, and wire transfers. Many users might need support for maintaining an ads campaign. If anyone operates wrong with the campaigns, it will affect the whole potential income of the site, but AdMaven is a knowledgeable support team that can help you whenever you face any problem. The support team provides service via email, Skype, and also in phone calls. So here are their phone number if you want to check that out, if you want to make a call, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and call them, of course. Here is their email, advertiser@maven.com, and for publishers they also have LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and a YouTube channel. If you want to sign up, just click here. You can choose between advertisers and publishers. So let's first go ahead and choose advertisers. So if you want to create an advertiser account, you just have to add your full name here, your email, so they say that it will be used as your account username, and then you have to add your password with at least 8 characters. Repeat your password, choose your country, add your Skype, and then you have to agree with their terms of use. And if you are a publisher, then click here, and you also have to add your full name, email, password, and so on. If you are interested in more details about them, you can go to About Us, Events and Careers, And AdMaven, like I said, is a top-tier advertising network. They cater to publishers and advertisers of all sizes. If you want to launch your campaign, just click here and to monetize your traffic. And then if we go to events, you will see that you can visit their affiliate world Bangkok and meet the AdMaven team. You can click on read more if you are interested in meeting them and visiting them. So for a publisher, they have full coverage. They monetize every single user impression, and it's also worldwide on every device. They have a high CPM. So if you use their optimization tools together with a vast direct advertiser, AdMaven provides publishers with a high CPM. They have easy integration from native push notifications to screen ads. In 5 minutes you are set up. Dedicated support, of course, and flexible payment plans. They have multiple ad formats like push notification. Here you can have an example of a push notification if you don't know what it looks like. Also, new tab pop, just like this. A new tab is popping. Interstitial notifications and banner ad formats. You can monetize your traffic on website, mobile in-app, link shortener, and network traffic, and you can get paid by PayPal, Pioneer, Payments, and Paxum. They also can pay you with wire transfer. If you have any questions, like I said, you can call them, you can send them on email on either of these email addresses, and you can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts. What do you think about this advertising network, about AdMaven? And I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out if you have any problems with this advertising network, or if you don't know how to get started. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day more ways of how you can make money online. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.